Good morning. Today is Wednesday, December 2nd. Remember that today is your day to work from home. We do not have any WebEx meetings today, no live WebEx meetings today, but open office hours are from 9 o'clock to 10 o'clock, so you can stop in at any time if you have questions. Make sure that you have checked your personalized schedule in Schoology. Some of you I messaged yesterday to make sure if you have any changes in your schedule that you go to the Schoology. I'm just going to show you really quick. Go to Schoology, make sure you go to your personal schedule folder. And if I sent you a message in Schoology yesterday, that you go to your folder and look at your updated schedule. So for today, in language arts, you're going to continue that practice with the plot diagram. Make sure that you're also reading in TSB chapters 24 and 25. You're going to remember to add character traits and examples to your chart. And then you're going to do that plot diagram practice. This is going to be the thing that you upload into Schoology. You're going to notice that you're going to read a passage, a reading passage, and then you're also going to fill in a plot diagram that's very similar to the one that we've been practicing in our WebEx meetings with Touching Spirit Bear. So make sure that gets uploaded by the end of the day, and then don't forget to add to your DLP week 4, day 3. For math today, this is your day to study for the Chapter 2 assessment that's coming up on Friday. We will meet again on Thursday and go over the closure, the Chapter 2 closure. That's your assignment for today. But know that we're going to practice on Thursday together in our WebEx meeting and take that assessment on Friday. And social studies, we went over our social studies project expectations yesterday again in a meeting, so make sure that you know that your project is due this Friday. Again, if you are having reservations about sharing online and in the WebEx meeting, to make sure that you have your project pre-recorded so that you're ready to present on WebEx on Friday. And then lastly, we met in Ms. Skolanowski's room today for science, so make sure that you have all the questions for labs 1 and 2 and they're completed, so that we're ready for Thursday. And again, if you have any questions today, make sure that you come to the office hours from 9 o'clock to 10 o'clock. Otherwise, we'll see you on Thursday.